a monkey that's actually afraid of rain. In the misty forests of Myanmar, lives one of the rarest monkeys on earth, the Rhinopithecus strykeri, or the snub-nosed monkey. It looks cute, but here's the funny part: every time it rains, it starts sneezing. Why? Because its nose points upward, so raindrops go straight in. To avoid this, these monkeys rush under trees or hide their faces in their knees whenever it rains. Scientists say this unusual nose shape is what makes them sneeze so much, and it's also why they stay hidden during bad weather. Sadly, only a few hundred of them are left in the wild, making them one of the world's rarest primates. Nature truly has a sense of humor. A monkey that sneezes just because it rains. Follow for more amazing animal facts.